Yo, Sarafet, I'm Samy Beatz. Today I'm going to show you how to create Afrobeat using only FL Studio stock plugins. For those of you who don't know, stock plugins or plugins that come bundles with the DAW that you purchase. Those are the one that I'm going to use to create this instrumental. Not any fancy and expensive plugin, only FL Studio stock plugins. So let's have some fun. The first plugin I'm gonna use is gonna be Flex, because I love Flex. Flex has a lot of crazy sound in it. And let's say we fix our tempo at 100. And I think I'm gonna go with E. Let's go and select this E piano. Not this one. Okay, let's go with this one. This one is my favorite. Okay, let's record that real quick. 1-4, activate our metronome. Okay, nice. And now we can go back to cell. I'll Q, we quantize everything. Clone it again, and then we'll try to find some string staccato. Let's go to string, and we copy this right there, our progression, and then we go back to this Command V, and then we are going to copy, drag this, all of this right there, and then Command L. So we have this right now. Okay, now to make it much more interesting, we can add some note. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep it like that. Okay, I love it. Sound really nice, but those two are too loud in our mix. Alt X so you can bring them down a little bit. That's it. Mean it's the same thing right there. We can bring them down a little bit because they are too loud. Nice. That is a nice melody right there. We can just try to complete it by adding some new plugin. Let's use the Kepler, maybe the next one. Okay, we go up 1 octave, and then we see. And also another thing to do is always remember to add this right there. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Okay. Okay, that's the low filter. If we can definitely play with this one right there, we can cut some of the high frequencies. That's better now. Let's see if we can definitely try to find a flute. Maybe where is the flute? Essential wind. I think we need the flute. We need the flute, and not this flute staccato. Not this one. Okay. Now let's try to freestyle something because I feel that this instrument gonna sound nice. So let's record. Okay, that's better now. And let's listen in context. Ooh. Now let's try to complete the melody. It sounds really crazy already, but we can make it sound even much more interesting. Let's go to morphine. And we can go to Vox, I think, and then we try to find one that sound good. So that's how. And also always remember to tune it. Let's see. Too high. Okay, I think I might use this right there. Okay, now we listen. And we don't judge. Crazy. That was just so fun, guys. Okay, I think I can just turn this one into 4 bars and then we have something nice. You can see it's possible to create fire melody with FL Studio stock plugin. If you are interested in buying FL Studio, I'm gonna link it in the description box, guys. This is one of the way you can support my channel. You can click on the link and then go purchase FL Studio from my link. This is one of the way you can support my work and then support the channel. So now I think it's time to add the drum. I'm not gonna go crazy on the drum. Some chill, bouncy drum, but not anything complicated. Just want something to bring bounce to our instrumental. So that's it. Now we go to the Afrobeat volume 2 and then we go to the Afrobinger, lose this one right there and add our first pattern in here. This brings more movement to our instrumental already, and then now we can go back to the Afrobeat main stash. Let's try to find percussion. I think I might use this one. I might use this one too. And then okay, let's go to kick, final kick. Okay, this one I'm gonna keep it simple like this. We have 4 of it just to bring movement. Okay, the kick also we can keep it simple, and then we have the same pattern, and then right there we just change the last one and we do it like, and then we do some automation and our velocity, and then now we are also this one we can definitely turn it into 4 bar, and then we have it. Okay, now one thing I want to do, guys, is adding a plugin that is not in the stock plugin. Because this one, I always have it on my master boss, which is the God Particle. This one is my favorite plugin for 2025. You could use also the FL Studio limiter, but I really love the sound of this plugin. That's why I'm using it. So you can go with the FL Studio limiter. Okay, I think now we can add a bass. I am going to use one from Fire, which is my famous Govan bass. Let's go to chord itself, and then we make sure we adjust the envelope. And also we go here. Okay, now we try to definitely play a bass that it's cool and then not complicated. Remember, I told you that I don't want to create anything crazy. Guys, it sounds good, but I think I can make it sound better. When you create something, see if you can take it to the next level. That's what I'm gonna do with another stock plugin, which is the Flute CD Extend. I might use one of my log drum presets, sorry, and then make sure to adjust this right there. To do. That sound fire. I love it. Now I think I'm going to do some sidechain on the two of those bass. Let word everything to a mixer track. And then we go to this one and we right click and sidechain to this track, and then we go here on our limiter, we adjust the parameter, go to compressor, and then sidechain to this. Okay, let's start that. That's fire. That's really fire. This is how you achieve a clean sounding instrumental, guys, with stock plugin, and it is very crazy fire. So that's it, guys. You can see how easy it is to create those Afrobeat with only stock plugin, and it is a fire track. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Also guys, we recently reached 98k subscribers. When we reach 100k, I will give away some stuff, you know, just to thank you guys. I will give away some stuff, maybe some plugin, maybe some FL Studio copy. I will try to talk with Imageline to see if I can do a big giveaway. So let's hope everything aligned, and then we can do something big, something nice. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next one.